how to close or delete your Coinbase account. If you want to close your Coinbase account, it's fairly simple for us to do so. Open up the Coinbase app and you will see this type of interface. Once you've done this, make sure to log into the account that you wish to delete. Tap on the three lines icon located at the top left of the screen and then you'll come here on this page. From here, you want to go to this little option which is your name that says account and settings. Once you're here, you'll find many options, but you want to just look for an option over here that says close account. So it will be under the account tab as well, and it will be at the bottom of the option that says account. So go to close account button. It will ask you, are you sure you want to close your account? So yes, you can simply tap on the I agree button and then your Coinbase account will be successfully scheduled for deletion. I also recommend that you read this disclaimer before you try to delete your account. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.